In this video, I'm going to show you how you can downgrade your current plan in ElevenLabs. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you had upgraded and you wish to downgrade your current plan, it's pretty simple. Just log into your ElevenLabs account. As you can see, I'm already logged in, and then head over to your profile icon on top here. Here you'll be able to see your balance here and an option to upgrade if you are yet to do so. However, we are interested in downgrading. To downgrade, go to settings, and then under settings, you should be able to see your current plan. Go to manage subscription, and now you should be able to see your current plan here. To move to a lower plan, for instance, if you are under creator plan, now you can downgrade by just moving to a lower plan, for instance, say starter, and you can just click on this to continue to this plan. If you want to cancel your subscription, you can also cancel and move to a free plan that is available here. So that's how you can downgrade your plan in ElevenLabs. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.